Buenos dias. Naisangu Jotani Ibiti. In America, my name is Jordan. This is my house. Get a bill? That's what it's named. Come over here. This is the solar light. Very nice. It's light work. It just powers like a battery that charges phones and tablets. Nothing crazy. Just some light. And then come here into the house. Always make sure you take your shoes off. Never walk into a house with your shoes on. Put them over here. So then you got your in-bay over here. And then over here, close the door. I have a little desk here for my stuff, toiletries, and then this beautiful desk. I used to have a smaller one, but through a long, hard process, we switched up to this one. Yeah, you can call it a desk job. And then this is the battery that I was talking about. Trusty old thing. And then, yeah, got my yoga mat. Pardon the towel, my bath towel. This is my pillow, the yoga mat. Perfect for napping. After lunch, dengu banda. Up in here, up here is my bedroom. Just a little bit of privacy for me. No, umbrella. This is my room. The house did not come with a room, but they built it especially for the Peace Corps. Peace Corps. There it is. Mosquito net. Wonderful. Delicious. I got these bad boys just to put clothes in, so I wouldn't have to use the suitcase as much. And then, yeah, very nice, very nice. Let's close this. Close this. That's the only time you'll see it. That's the only time. And then over here, you got the kitchen. Got my sasa. This is only in Fiji. Get one of these. It's made from like the palm tree leaves, the coconut tree leaves. Little broom action. And you got the stove, a tea kettle for tea. Always drinking tea in Fiji. Tea kettle, sorry, tea kettle. And then a kuro pot. Then you got the gas over here. Got the trusty water tank, which always boil water and filter it. Check but verified. And up here, in my cabinet of mysteries, or cabinet of curiosities, my groceries. Got loa, got corn, oil, and got some chow noodles. Always the chow noodles. Also this bad boy, black pepper, delicious. Very expensive in Fiji though. Like $15 for that. Close that back up. So with the cockroaches getting in, and then extra water bottles. And that's really about it. This is the house. One bed, bathroom outside, wonderful location. If you look out here, you see a nice, yeah, that's the bathroom over there. And then look out there, you got a nice ocean side. You see the community hall too. And then, as you can tell, I like to think my house is like the hallway of the village, just because you get a nice thoroughfare, right? Just a nice breeze, ocean breeze coming in. Sometimes salty, sometimes hot, but it's a breeze nonetheless. Anyways, no ku vale and no mu vale.